It's been 2 years since the Supreme Court read down Section 377 decriminalizing consensual homosexual intercourse. But still, कुछ लोगों की सोच इस टॉपिक पे उतनी ही underrated है जितनी की overrated feminism पर।
But बाकी वीडियो की तरह हम यहाँ पे Section 377 के बारे में नहीं बात करेंगे। In this video, we are going to raise question about marriage and adoption right for LGBTQ community.
Supreme Court has already declared the LGBTQ community as the third gender, but now it's high time when they should be accepted and treated as third gender in real sense by providing them all those benefits that a heterosexual couple enjoy.
कारा जो कि एक statutory body है Ministry of Women and Child Development mention 8 heads for eligibility criteria for prospective adoptive parents that a parent should be physically, mentally and emotionally stable and financially capable and should not have any life-threatening medical condition. And the age difference between the child and the parent should not be less than 25 years.
I cannot hear Kara mentioning about the LGBT parents. Everyone needs a family. Then what's wrong if a community desires for a family, a child to hold on like every other non-homosexual couple? Could a homosexual mother be any less motherly or affectionate?
Why should a child and the parent be denied of being or making a family out of love, care and affection? Because of some religious and political extremists didn't think so? Why Hindutva see this as a taboo while the entire world along with Hinduism has a long history and mythological evidence of transgender and homosexuality?
Even in Mahabharata, from the famous transgender warrior Shrikhandi to Lord Krishna himself disguised as Mohini form to marry Arjun's and Ulupi's son Aravan, from Lord Shiva marrying Vishnu's disguised form Mohini to bear a son now worshipped as Lord Ayappa. God themselves believed it as sacred and sanguine, but the world doesn't seem to.
They are just served with the decriminalization of the section when they aren't supposed to either marry or to have a child.
And when there are thousands of people desiring for a child, why India's adoption rate is so abysmally low despite of its 30 million abandoned and orphaned kids?
Ironically, on one hand, there are millions of children homeless, on the other, there is increasing number of infertile couples, and for most of them, adoption is the last choice. But adoption center and orphan homes can keep a child away from being in a family rather than giving it to a homosexual couple.
The fights, the sufferings the LGBTQ community is facing is yet not ended. Thousands of petitions have been filed in the Supreme Court to provide the community with marriage and adoption right, to provide sense to that partial and incomplete judgment.
After all, family is not always about biological factor. It is all about love, affection, protection and support. And anybody who is able to provide a child a safe and loving home should be entitled to adopt a child, then be it transgender or homosexual.
And we believe that there is no such gender that could describe or explain the emotion of a parent towards its child. Jai Hind.
That's all for this video. If you find this is an instructive one, please do like, share and consider subscribing. And do not forget to leave your valuable opinion in the comment section below. Jai Hind.